enough viscosity.
Viscosity? What are you making?
I need to make a thread filament stronger than steel for a net to catch the missile bird with. There's a big reward for whoever captures it alive.
How's your experiment coming along, Gumby?
It just won't gel, Professor.
I see you need my help. Well, let me see now. Just a few drops of this acid should do it. The beauty of science is when you make a mistake, you know it.
Mistake? That was a catastrophe. Is the missile bird worth it?
Tom, look. It's the missile bird. Gosh, so that's what it looks like. The whole Army and Air Force are trying to catch it.
Oh, those birds are a nuisance.
Range 10 plus 2 plus 06. Countdown 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Left off and right on course, sir.
General, are you confident this rocket will help you capture the missile bird?
Oh, yes, absolutely. When this rocket gets in range, it sprays a powerful tranquilizing vapor that will put the missile bird to sleep.
General, the rocket is changing course. It's heading back toward us.
Well, this can't be. We thoroughly tested it for reliability.
The rocket is now spraying the sleeping gas in it.
Oh, no. This can't be.
Eureka! I got it! I think I finally got a net that will hold a missile bird. Here he comes, Pokey. Raise our altitude 50 feet, quick! Steady, Pokey. Here he comes.
Hey, Gumby, where'd you go?
I want a meeting of all the experts this afternoon to discuss ways to capture that missile bird.
Hold on, Pony. What do you want?
I just wanted to see the general about rescuing my friend Gumby.
Do you have a pass?
No, but
Well, then beat it. This place is restricted.
it sure is.
Now, gentlemen, let's hear your ideas on how to capture this missile bird.
General, well, first we get the exact longitude and latitude and the exact altitude for the, the circumference. And then we do this and...
Yes, a great idea.
Here it comes.
Whose bright idea was this?
Mine. Look, the decoy worked.